Hey guys, so we're going to start with metric conversions. When we're working with metric conversions, remember we have to do that really fun saying. So we need King Henry died base drinking chocolate milk. Okay, that's our fun acronym that we get to use. Okay, and remember, but each of these letters stand for something else. They stand for the prefix in our conversions. So this K is kilo, H, hecto, D, the first D, deca. Then we have our base, deci, centi, and finally milli. Okay, remember those are all of our prefixes. Our base units could be anything that are meters, liters, or grams. Remember, the meters measure measurement or distance, liters measure capacity or liquid, and grams measure weight. Okay, so we're going to take a look at a couple practice problems together. We're going to use this to help us to solve them, hopefully as a remember for you guys. Okay, so we're going to take a look at question number 1. How many meters are there in 300 centimeters? Okay, so we're going to start with our 300 centimeters. Okay, and we want to go to meters. So taking a look at our graph, we're starting here at centimeters. And we need to get to our base unit, which is meters. That means we are moving 1, 2 times on our chart. And we're moving 2 times to the left. So that means we have to move our decimal 2 times to the left in 300. Oops, 360. Okay, remember when we're talking about whole numbers, the decimal is right at the end. Okay, if we have to move that decimal 2 times to the left, we're going to go once, we're going to go twice, our decimal is now going to be there. I'm going to rewrite my answer as 3.6, 3 6/10 meters. Okay, not too bad. Let's move down. Okay, number 2. How many millimeters are there in 4.7 HM? So if we take a look up here, HM is a little confusing. Okay, but we remember we have H and we have M. The abbreviation for meters is M, abbreviation for liters is L, and the abbreviation for grams is G. Okay, so that means if we have HM, we need to go H hectometers. Okay, so if we're going from 4.7 hectometers, and we need to know how many mm's that is. Okay, remember that's millimeters. So we will be starting here, and we need to end up way down here. So we're moving to the right. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna get rid of these lines so we're not confused. Okay, we gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hops to the right. So that means we have to move our decimal 5 times to the right. Okay, we can see our decimals here. We're going to move it 5 times to the right. Here goes once. Oh no, I'm out of numbers. Remember, but we can always just add zeros. So if I'm just going to add a couple zeros as placeholders. Not quite sure right now how many I'm going to need. Can always erase them later. Okay, so remember 5 spots to the left or to the right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that was a perfect amount of zeros. Okay, and I'm just going to rewrite my number. 4, 7, and 4 zeros. My comma goes here. Okay, and the unit is now millimeters. So there is 470,000 millimeters in 4 7/10 hectometers. Okay, and one more quick question. How many KL, so that's kiloliters, are there in 52,900 deciliters? So again, we look at our chart, we're starting at the K, and we're moving to deciliters. Okay, so we're going from here over to here. Okay, again, we're moving in the right. So I'm gonna get rid of this little guy to not confuse us. Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so that means we have to move our decimal 4 times now to the right. Oh, I'm sorry. We're starting at deciliters. We're starting at deciliters. That means we're going in the opposite direction. We started here. Sorry, guys. Start here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the left. My mistake. Okay. So remember, in 52,900 is just a whole number, so our decimal is going to be here. And sorry again, we're moving to the left. Okay, so we're going to go, just a quick refresher, 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the left. So I'm going to take my decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the left. The decimal's right there. I'm going to rewrite my answer. I'm just going to do it above. Remember, all of the zeros behind the decimal are irrelevant, so we're going to leave it 5 and 29/100 kiloliters. Okay, because it was asking how many KL. My answer should be in KL. All right, hopefully this helps. Guys, remember to draw this on your paper whenever you are doing metric conversions so you do not forget, and it is always there to help you. Good luck.